Hello everyone, let's now move further with another type of the hairstyle. This one is best suited for the medium length hair. From the scalp area, we are going to build this braid like we usually do for the French tails that we usually make. Then the rest of the hair is to be tied up loosely using this type of the bun, and your bun is radiant. It looks so good. We will now move further with another hairdo. This is best suitable for the long length hair. First I am taking some portion of the hair from the right side and I am just building it into the braid. Now it's tied up with the rest of the hair and again a messy bunny type of look is created. Then fix it at the proper position using the another rubber band and you are done with this type of the casual look. This type of the hairstyle is inspired from the twisty type of the turny type of the look and your bun is radiant. It looks so good. We will now move further with this type of the hairstyle. It's best suitable for the medium length hair. First I am just building the classical braid from one of the end and fixing it in a proper position with the help of the pins. From the second side I am going to repeat this step as apparent on your screens. Then you just have to tie them together using the one simple rubber band, one casual rubber band decorated with some pins. Thank you for watching.